Hello everyone, this is Kathleen and I'm glad to be back with you today to show you a third boho journal. This one is kind of a gentle autumn kind of boho journal, and it's because I found as I was putting away all of the boho things, getting ready for the next style, I found those beautiful fun kind of nouveau sort of butterflies that I got in Dollar Tree. They weren't in the supplies that I was using at the time, and I didn't want to not use them because they were so cute. So I have made this beautiful boho journal around those butterflies. Let me show you what I've done. First of all, I've used this beautiful, gentle kind of autumn-ish paisley upholstery fabric. It's just gorgeous, and I love these images. I've just put some lace and this little baby rickrack here along the edge. It has a chipboard kind of semi stiff cover. This is a vintage button and my regular bead closure. So let's go inside. I just have, this is blank here, and I have used a sheet of braille paper here in the front for this fold-up pocket. I have a card with a sticker here for that pocket. This is just kind of, I just felt like those colors were this really gentle autumn palette that I was going for. Just a journal card there. I found this image in the New York Public Library digital collection, and I've just used it on some scrapbook paper. Make that large journaling card. Crinkled seam binding through there. Here's the first of those fun kind of nouveau boho butterflies that I found in the Dollar Tree. Here's another one on this paper bag. And I found, this is a magazine, vintage magazine image for knitting these Barbie dresses. How fun. So you can see the color palette is this pink and kind of orange. Yeah, I really like it. Some butterflies there. Here's this orangey gold color. Hercules Mining Company. In 1925, it looks like. Just a receipt. This is some jumbo rickrack and a little charm pinned there. This is a little recycled envelope and a flip-up journal card. So there's a pocket in the back, and then the window pocket as well. This pretty silky ruffle here on the side, and another of the stickers. Journal card. This is some ephemera from Northwest Trading Company. This is another of the butterflies and a vintage postcard. It's another pretty charm. Some lace along that page. The other side of that, some kind of an invoice, I think, And another of those gold butterflies. Here's a paper sack and just a tag. Some boho fringe there. This was also one of the stickers on that sticker sheet. This is a piece of ephemera from State Music. Don't ask me what it is. I have no idea. But I put it into this embossed photo pocket. So this was one of those flower photos that I got from my friend, and I have just sanded and distressed it and then done some embossing on it. It's another one of those beautiful butterflies. Journaling pages. Isn't that pretty? This is the print that I took the color palette from. Yeah. Here's the other side of that braille pocket. And just another little journaling card. This has been in my stash for some time. I made it, gosh, probably a couple of years ago even. And it's just a ruffle made with dictionary page and some sewing pattern tissue and some other scraps. And I just put it here with this little vintage calendar as a belly band. I think that turned out really well. Here's another of the butterflies. This is from Jacob's Music, sheet music. It's just a vintage sales receipt, and the color just matched perfectly in this journal. Some avocado dyed paper, some stamping, some spray. Yeah. This is just a coloring book page, another photo pocket, and this just a plain embossed tag in that pocket. This was also an image from the New York Public Library, and I just did a little fussy cutting around there, put some leaf stickers, some intentional water damage on this card. Here I've used a large, let's see the other side, a large doily, and I have folded it up and created a couple of pockets, a sheet of hand-dyed paper. This is cabbage dyed paper. A friend of mine did some for me, Isabel. Thank you, Isabel. And then just this beautiful digital image with some stamping there in that card. Some more sprays. Here's another charm, beaded charm, and that vintage cotton embroidered lace. Here's another of the pretty butterflies, and another image from the New York Public Library on this journal paper. Some lace. Rack. Here's the other side of the doily pocket. Some Tim Holtz paper. Just slides in here. And here's the little clip to hold it secure. A little candy bag with this butterfly and just a smushed tag. Some paper. Oh, brad there. Here is from a Reader's Digest condensed books, a flyleaf, and plenty of room to write. And here is just an image from the Graphics Fairy, I believe. And I've just splattered that with some paint. The other side of the coloring page, more journaling papers. Here's the back pocket. This again from the New York Public Library. Digital card there, fits in the back of that large belly band. Here's the back, and that is the Gentle Autumn Boho Butterflies journal. Thanks for being with me. I'm going to list this on Etsy, and then I will be back with a new project.